different sound effects that motherfuckers use when they be fighting. That motherfucking huss huss. You know what I'm saying? Huss huss huss. Huss 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 huss. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker huss huss. You know what I'm saying? Huss 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 huss. You know he trying to give it to you, boy. That means he trying to lay it on you. He trying to do devious things to you, son. This how the girl be right here. Come on, bitch. What's up? What's up, bitch? What's up? Bitch, let my hair go. Bitch, 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 let my hair go. What's up? What's up, bitch? What's up? Bitch. What's up? What's up? Come on. Bitch, bitch. On your ass. They be at that bit hooking. Hit you with that good one. Ooh, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hold on, come here. Oh, it's over. It's over. Come here. Come here, bitch. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah, they be on your ass. The weave masters. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Come on. Ooh, 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 ooh. They be making hella noise. Every time you miss it, just piss you off. Goddamn hissers, them goddamn snakes.